So many people would want to have or own a YouTube channel, and they feel they need to spend more to open a YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be telling us what to do to open a YouTube channel and telling you that you don't need to spend money to open this YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Queen Adam. So in this video, I'll be talking about how to open a YouTube channel. So before you open a YouTube channel, you must have an email address. So what you have to do is to open an email address. Okay, so now when you open an email address, the next thing you have to go on is to your YouTube app. Okay, if you don't have it in your phone, you download it. Download YouTube app. So when you download this YouTube app, the next thing you have to do is you go to your channel. Go to that icon that shows you. You click on it, and when you click on it, next thing you see is you see create channel. All right, so when you see create channel, the next thing you have to do is to click on that create channel, whereby sometimes I don't want you to click on that create channel. I would want you to click on that icon that shows a pencil. You see a pencil icon, so you click on it. That is where you do your settings. So after that, you have to log in your information. You put in the name you want to answer, okay, that you want to bear on YouTube. Then also, I would advise, on my own opinion, I would advise that you should have at least 2 email addresses, so that when you are doing your settings on your Chrome versions, that is your YouTube desktop site, on your Chrome version, you will be needing to, or you'll be asked to put your contact email. That means depending on what you're doing on YouTube and you want people to contact you, so that people can easily contact you, and you can have 2 email address. So when you have 2 email address, one will be used to open that YouTube account, and one will be for the contact. Or if you already have an email address, like you have 2 email address, one should be the one that people don't know about. Okay, you've not been giving it to people to contact you in one way or the other, but one should be for YouTube. I prefer you open a new email address, so that you can use that particular email address for your YouTube account. You wouldn't want someone to get into your account unaware. So to avoid those risks, you have to have 2 email address to be in a safer side. That is one. That's newly opened one will be for your YouTube, and the other one will be for your contact address. So now when you are done working on your YouTube app, main YouTube app, you go to your Chrome version, whereby you put this your already known, or the kind of the email that you want to use for people to contact you. Okay, so that is how it is. There are some settings you will need to put in place on your YouTube desktop version. That is on your Chrome. You have to type youtubestudio.com. So now that place, you have to do some settings which you cannot be able to do on your YouTube app. So there are more benefits when you use that YouTube desktop version, and I will be telling you in my next video. Please stay tuned with me to always guide you on how to make it on this YouTube platform. In my next video, I'll be showing us what to set up on your YouTube desktop version. Okay, and I will effectively show you how to set up your YouTube desktop version, because there are lots of benefits using YouTube desktop version. Number 1 is to upload your video. Now, uploading long form video, you don't need to do it directly on the YouTube app. You need this Chrome version or iOS, depending on the kind of phone you're using. I'm using an Android phone, so I use Chrome for my upload, and I will show you how to effectively use Chrome to upload your videos. All right, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, like and share this video, so that may benefit from this video, because I've seen many people asking how much can it take me to open a YouTube channel, and I'll be like, do we need money to open a YouTube channel? So please, you don't need any money to open a YouTube channel. You just need some settings and some guidelines. All right, and I'm here to guide you on how to open this channel and how we can go forward on this platform.